In a world where every moment is worth capturing, there's an instant camera that stands out. Introducing the Instax Wide 400, your perfect companion for preserving memories in an instant. Designed with both simplicity and aesthetics in mind, the Instax Wide 400 Instant Film Camera is the latest wide camera for the first time in 10 years that everyone has been waiting for. Its simple operation makes it ideal for capturing timeless moments with friends and family. Compatible with Instax Wide Instant Film, which is sold separately, this camera delivers large, wide prints, perfect for sharing with friends and family. Whether it's a spontaneous selfie or a group portrait, the Instax Wide 400 ensures that every moment is preserved in vivid color and sharply on this large instant film format. Before we talk some more about the camera, let's have a look at what comes in the box. First, we can find the close-up adapter, then we can find the user guide. We can now have a look at the camera itself. Now let's take it off this wrapper. Oof. I love this green color, it's right up my alley. Then the camera strap. There's a camera angle adjustment adapter accessory. This will allow us to tilt the camera up if we want to take selfies or group shots using the self-timer option of this camera. And lastly, 4 AA alkaline batteries. Now let's have a quick look at the camera. On the front of the body, we have the lens. Next to it, we have the self-timer button, and just over that, we have the LED indicating how long the timer's been set for. Over that, we have the light meter as well as the flashlight meter. Then we have the flash itself, the viewfinder, and the shutter button. On each side of the camera, we have the strap lugs. On the top of the camera is the film ejection slot. On the right side of the camera is the battery compartment where we will put our 4 AA alkaline batteries. Underneath the camera, we have a tripod socket, which when you add your tripod, which is sold separately, is a great way to shoot group shots or even to shoot in low light scenarios. Just over the tripod socket, you will see a small recessed area. This is for use with the camera angle adjustment accessory. At the back of the camera is where we can find the instant film compartment opening latch. Simply twist and pull to open the film door. Align the yellow tab on the Instax Wide Instant Film cartridge with the yellow tab on the camera and close the door. Press the shutter button to eject the protective black card. On the film door, we have a film window letting us know whether film is loaded or not. If you see yellow and the frame counter below is not displaying 0, do not open the film door. Doing so could overexpose your unused instant film. Now let's talk about the features of this instant camera. The Instax Wide 400 captures moments in stunning clarity, allowing you to capture every detail. Its intuitive control makes it easy for photographers of all skill levels to snap the perfect shot with confidence. To turn it on, simply rotate the lens and the LED will blink. Once the LED stops blinking and turns solid, you are ready to snap away. The lens features 2 focusing positions, 0.9 meter to 3 meters and 3 meters and beyond. Simply choose the appropriate setting for the scene you are shooting. The 0.9 meter to 3 meters can be used for regular shooting. For macro shooting, add the close-up adapter that comes with the camera to not only enable you to get close to a subject, but also enables you to shoot selfies. The adapter features a selfie mirror to help you frame your shot. Now make sure the lens is set to 0.9 to 3 meters when using the close-up adapter. Also, you can see there's a dotted circle through the viewfinder, which can be used as a reference when you want to take close-up photos. The 3 meters and beyond position is perfect for landscape shots. The camera features a self-timer function, allowing you to take photos from behind the camera or in front of the camera, whether it's a group shot or a selfie. Simply press on the self-timer lever and see the lights go on to set how long it will take to snap away. Now you can hear a nice analog sound here. You can choose from 2 seconds up to 10 seconds in 2 seconds increments. Make sure you use the included camera angle adjustment accessory when putting the camera on a bench or a table to tilt up the camera for the perfect shot, or if you have a tripod with you, you can use the tripod socket underneath the camera to frame the shot. Optionally, a matching camera case is sold separately for protection to carry your Instax Wide 400 in style when on the move. From parties and weddings to travel adventures and everyday moments, the Instax Wide 400 instant camera adapts to any situation, empowering you to capture memories wherever life takes you. With its timeless design and user-friendly features, the Instax Wide 400 provides a wide gateway to a world of instantly captured, cherished memories. Because every memory deserves to be remembered instantly. Now, I hope you enjoyed this first look at the Instax Wide 400 instant camera. And until next time, c'était Francis pour les Fuji guys.